Let's turn now to the latest on the search for Nancy Guthrie. It has been 46 days now since Savannah's mom was taken from her home. NBC's Liz Kreutz has been following the case from the very beginning, joins us now with some new details on the investigation. So, Liz, we're learning about some new images recovered from Nancy's home surveillance cameras. What more can you tell us about those specifically?
Yeah, hi, Craig. Good morning to you. You know, we're now in the 7th week of this search, and the work is still underway to try to identify a suspect. A key part of that has been trying to find any new video footage. 2 people briefed on the matter tell NBC News that investigators have been able to retrieve additional images from some of the other home surveillance cameras on Nancy's property. But they say those images, unfortunately, do not show any new suspicious activity or any other movement on the night of the abduction. So for now, those previously released surveillance images from Nancy's doorbell camera are the only known images that authorities have of the suspect. And really, Craig, the most important piece of evidence that investigators have right now.
Yeah, Liz, and there have been some reports that there's a potential new date that investigators are asking people about, asking neighbors about. What do we know about that?
Yeah, Hoda, well, as you know, early on, investigators put out that call asking residents in Nancy's neighborhood to send in any potentially relevant video footage going back to January 1st, a month before the abduction. But neighbors tell us that when investigators have actually showed up at their home, they have also asked about specific dates, notably the weekend of Nancy's disappearance, as well as January 11th. One neighbor tells us she was also asked about footage on January 24th. We did ask other neighbors if they were also asked about that date. The ones we talked to said that they were not. Now, neither the Sheriff's Department nor the FBI have said if or why they are asking about any of those specific days. We do know that investigators are still looking at the possibility that the suspect may have visited Nancy's home prior to her abduction. Hoda and Craig.
All right. Liz Kreutz for us. Liz, thank you so much. And again, hope remains. There's the phone number. If you have any information that might be helpful to this case, call 1-800-CALL-FBI.
Yeah, please call that number.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.